Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this powerful Precision Pro Vacuum Sealer. This is a 10-in-1 function. This has easy lock handle. It is a double heat seal and a double pump. Alright, so today we've got our vacuum seal. This is a 10-in-1 functions for various needs. This meets a wide range of food storages, so it does do dry, light moist, heavy moist, seal only. It's got pulse, countdown, canister, double seal, pressure mode, and built-in cutter. So this does come with two size different bags that you can use. It comes with an exclusive app for real-time control. This is powered by Food Vision and AI integrated vacuum tech. So it tells you everything about the calories, food scan AI, accurate reminder, real-time freshness guaranteed. So it lets you know of how guaranteed and freshness it is. This does have a built-in cutter, which you can customize the bag length, extra bag storage up to 20 feet large capacity. It does have a digital countdown, which monitors the sealing progress. Double heat seal, so instead of just using one seal, it will double heat it if you like. It also has a detachable drip tray, so if you have liquid stuff in there, it will detach into the liquid tray so you can pick it up and dump it out. It does have an accessory port for used for canisters, and it does come with it installed already. So first off, you have the instructions manual, you have your two different sizes bags, and then you have this little sealer right here. This is more for canisters. So this one has a pure copper core double pump, a doable silicone gasket. It is 8 times longer freshness with strong seal, and then you get the power cord right here. I like this because it is super lightweight. It is super fast. You don't have to worry about spending extra time of making it seal. So what I did was I did have a homegrown chicken and I did seal this up. So I'm going to do that at the end of the video. So this is what it looks like. On the top, you do have your different settings. You have your emergency stop. So if you see that it's overdoing, you can stop it right there and it will stop. Okay, the settings on top of this, it does have your food storage. You can heat it. So first off right here, it says food mode, pressure, canister, pulse. It has sealing mode. You got single and double. You have vac and seal, manual seal, and then you have the stop button. So you'll just lift this thing right here up and it'll open right up. That little circle thing in the middle is your countdown. So you'll put your bags right here at the back. This little cutout right here, that is where if you have any liquid that comes in when you're sealing it, it will trap it right in there, and then you could just pull that right out and dump it out and then re-put it in there. So I did happen to buy an extra box of bags because this one did come with 2 of them, but I wanted a huge bag and I just basically not put it inside, but I did cut it to where I wanted to. So these are the vacuum sealer bags I'm going to show you right here. So right here is the vacuum seal roll. This is 11 inch by 150 feet, and it does have a glide cutter. So you'll just take the bags out from the top. You'll put the glide cutter at the top at this edge right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So right here, the box is open. What you want to do is you want to close it up. Make sure you get these little lips in here and lock it into place. That way it doesn't roll out. So this is what the bag should be doing. It should be coming out right at this little clip here. And then it does have the little sticker that goes at the edge, which basically cuts the bag. So I'm just going to put it right along there. So right here, it does have a sticky thing on the bottom. You just take the little sticker off, place it right there. You can see that it doesn't move. And all you have to do is pull the size that you need, pull it out, push it up under this little blue thing, and it'll cut. I'm not going to do it right now, but you can see it's got a little cutter right there. It did cut in a little bit. This thing here is sharp, so be careful if you're going to do it. Make sure you cut it to the size that you need, but this is resizable, and this is up to 150 feet by 11 inches. So it goes just like this, and then you can go back and then cut it to your size. I got this box just because I wanted some extra bags, especially when I have my homegrown chicken. I needed something bigger to put my chicken in. So right now I'm going to do is put the bag in there, and then I'm going to cut it to my size. And then we have the setting. You got the sealing mode. So basically what that does is it just seals the bottom of the bag. And then once you put your food or whatever you want to put in there, your food or your fruits and vegetables and stuff like that, I'm just going to do meat. So whatever you do, you can just do the sealing if you want to seal the bottom of the the bag. Now if you want it to suck it up to make sure that it gets all up in there, you want to do the vacuum and the seal. So I'm just going to grab the bag to the size that I need, and then I'm just going to take and seal the bottom of it to make sure that there's no liquid that comes out, because I'm going to put in a really nice sized chicken in here. So I've already cut my bag to size, and I've already do the double seal. So it has double seal. You can see it counting down. This is just to seal the bottom, making sure that there's no liquid that comes out from the bottom. So once it'll go to 0, you'll hear a pop sound, and then you can see right here it's got a double seal. There's nothing coming out of here. And on the other side, what I'll do is I'll place my chicken in here, and then once that's done, I will do the seal and vacuum. So what that does is it will seal it up and it will vacuum out all the air, so it'll be really nice and tight around my chicken, keep it nice and fresh for as long as I need in the refrigerator. All right, now I have my chicken. I've had placed it in the bag, and I put the top part up. So what it's going to do, it's going to take some of the liquid that is from my chicken. It's going to suck it all out. Again, that little cutout inside, if you have any liquid, what it'll do, it'll pour into that, and then you can clean it out. So right now it's doing the vacuum and the sealing, as you can see. So we're just going to wait for that just a minute. And then once the sealing part goes, it'll start sucking right up to the chicken. This is a really nice vacuum sealer. I like the fact that it does give you a 10-in-1. This does have a powerful 95 kPu suction, so it does suction a lot. It has 125 watts strong. It just takes 8 to 18 seconds, which is 50% faster than other sealers. You can maximize your food storage up to 8 times longer. So you can see now that it's sucking all the air out. It's getting all around my chicken. This one here is homegrown chickens, so there's no preservatives or anything in there. So what I wanted to do is take all the chickens that I have, and then I want to preserve them and stick them in my freezer. With this vacuum sealer, it does a really great job of sealing my chicken in, and I don't have to worry about it. You can keep this in over probably about a year. See, it's suctioning all up around the chicken. It's getting some of the liquid, and that liquid will go into that little cutout like I said before, and then you can drain it after you're done and wash it. But this is a great little sealer. I like the fact that it does hold a lot longer, and it does give you the option of double sealing. I like to double seal, making sure that no liquid or anything gets out or any air that gets in. If you're looking for a nice vacuum sealer, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. This one is super easy to use, and it gives you many functions of what different kinds of foods that you can seal or you can vacuum suck out. This also includes extra moist or dry. So this one right here is extra moist. You can click on the extra moist. You can see that it sealed it and it vacuumed it. So this is good to go. I can keep this chicken in my freezer up to a year. I would definitely say this is a nice one, and I would recommend this one. You can see how it's all sucked up to my chicken. And then you got this, you can just take it out and dump it out and clean it, and then you're ready to go.